What was your life like as a high school student with a class of 12, kind of having traveled for 2 years? Like, did you party at all? Was it like fun, or was it
No,
all just studying and nerd? Because that's what I was a nerd, like in high
no,
school.
I was the biggest nerd.
Okay.
Yeah, it
It
was,
sounds like
it
if
was,
you're like at an eighth grader, like delving into the global financial
yeah,
crisis, like you had a different mind, a curious mind, which
yeah,
is good.
absolutely, absolutely. I didn't. It was definitely tough to relate to, kids who were normal kids, quote unquote.
Yeah,
Um, and it was like we were all very close, kind of as part of that 12-person class.
I'm sure. Yeah.
But there were always activities that they were participating in that, I didn't necessarily always participate in, kind of outside of school. I was
Like
trying
the
to start,
drinking and stuff, and
yeah, like, they're going to parties and,
yeah, yeah,
and,
yeah.
and stuff like that. And I was kind of more focused on, really getting ahead.